Be honest, ever crushed your workout but still felt like the muscle isn't showing up? You're lifting, sweating, pushing hard, but maybe the secret isn't in the gym, it's in the kitchen. Yep, your post-workout fuel could be the missing piece. So today I've got you covered. The ultimate homemade protein shake that packs 30 grams of protein, burns fat, and fuels serious gains. All right, let's make this magic. Step 1. Grab 1 scoop of whey protein powder, chocolate or vanilla. Go with what hits your vibe. Next, toss in 1 ripe banana. Natural sweetness plus potassium to fight cramps. Now pour in 200 milliliters of almond milk. Smooth, light, and low-cal. And here's the game changer. 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. That creamy texture adds healthy fats to keep you full and powered up. Now blend it for about 30 seconds. Just imagine sipping this after a killer session. That smooth taste, that recovery boost, it's the perfect balance of protein, carbs, and fats your muscles crave. Drink this right after your workout, and trust me, you'll feel the difference in your strength and recovery. What's your favorite shake ingredient? Drop it down below. And hey, if this fired you up, smash that like button and subscribe for more easy fitness fuel ups.